going on, everybody? It's a full month here back once again. As you can see, my hair is getting long as can be. Got a haircut appointment tomorrow, so I'm pumped about that. So it's hopefully be one of the last few just saying box openings with my hair this long and the beard this long as well. Going to trim this. Going to get this cut off. So the gear just came out. This is the one with the I think Vent Wave 2. With Tanjiro and them. So this is what this unboxing is for. We're going to open this up, part where two of the gears, long sleeve, short sleeve, and we'll go from there. So I'm going to use my kunai here, put up top. But yeah, we'll see. I'll probably just stab it actually because it is pretty deep in there. But yeah, last time was a box, but since I ordered quite a bit of sets. Oh yeah, there's two things in here. One is for my girlfriend. I got her top, and then one is for my friend, my co-worker friend. He wanted a headband, so I won't show that off, but I definitely will go from there. But yeah, so I wanna actually organize it pretty decent this time. So we got two of these. So it's not terribly organized. It's pretty decent, but I gotta put the shorts and stuff together. So they didn't put the shorts and everything together, but they did put everything pretty nicely organized. Alright, so we got that taken care of. We're gonna throw the box over here. And we'll first go with, I guess, the Lemillion one. So yeah, so we got, let's have my sets before we go. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sets. 2 items, one for my friend's headband, one for my girlfriend, which is a crop top shirt, and then we got another long sleeve Texas Smash one for myself that I'm wearing tomorrow for the movies. Yeah. Anyways, Lemillion, let's go. Oh, they didn't give it the baggies like the. They didn't put it in one of these this time, so that's pretty good. I'm happy about that because those kind of get annoying when you have so many of them to open, you know. But this is Lemillion short sleeve. Onyx Lemillion actually. Got that power. The back. Actually, gonna fix this real quick. It's itching the crap out of me, to be honest. There we go. And then the shorts. In this set, everything's extra large top and large bottom. I'm actually going to try to switch over to double XLs. So the next Vent third wave, I'm thinking of XL top, XL bottom. I want to try those out. But yeah, so here's the shorts. Got that power on the side. This one, okay, they still come with the string still. I thought it didn't. I was like, I like that string. I know some people might not, but yeah, so of course gotta have that power. Next we'll go with Bakugo. So I got the shorts opened up first. This one says boom on it. This one's not too bad. I do have a tank top that I could wear under this one for pool days. I usually like wearing razors, but I'll probably wear that one and a tank top under for like arms or something. So I usually like tank tops for arms or short sleeves. Actually, I think I got long sleeve Bakugo actually, not short sleeve, because of the extra material at the bottom. As you can see, got the extra flare. See, like the other one I think just cuts off right here a little bit, and I don't know if it has the flames, but yeah, at the end. But one day I'll make a video showing you all the difference between the short sleeves, the long sleeves, and then how, in my opinion, which one you should go with. I'll eventually make a video about that. Maybe once I order the next wave, which I'm hoping this is coming out the Friday. No, I'm recording, not coming out. This is recording on Friday before the Memorial sale. So as you can see, my videos are always spaced off long ways off because I edit real slow. Take my time and everything. By time I mean I don't actually edit. I just wait till the day I can edit. But yeah, so the back it says explode, and then you got boom in the front, and of course the pretty nice detail on the side. Next we'll go with the Tanjiro. So Pretty much the ones I ordered long sleeves are the ones that I think are worth going long sleeve for because of the extra it adds flair to it. Long sleeve actually pretty good with the vent actually on a hot day. I live in Texas, so it does get pretty hot. But the vent gear does make it a little bit breathable. But this one kind of cool. I like that it has the water on one side, fire on the other. And I think it should probably just say water breathing on this thing, but maybe not. Maybe actually it might say something else. Sun and water breathing. There it goes. So sun and water breathing on the back, as you can see with the Demon Slayer sleeves. They have like, so usually it cuts off like about right here for long sleeve or short sleeves, a little bit, maybe a little bit shorter. So you have the fade, but you don't get the transition of the granite from that in between. You know what I mean? Like, is it worth it? It could be. It's up to you to think so. For me, I think it is. But it doesn't have to be if you don't want to, you know? So here we go. Here's the Zenitsu. I'll wear this one today, actually, since it's long sleeve. And I'm wearing the thing. You can see I got pool day today. So I'll wear this one over it right after this. So I'm not going to show this one off, but you got that. And then on the back, of course, you got the thunder breathing, which thunder is one of my favorite elements, if not my favorite. And then you got the shorts with the lightning on the side. Next we'll go, let's stay with Demon Slayer for now, because we got 2 left. I'll probably open the ones just to show off, but I put it back in the bag. So this is the Inosuke one, which is Beast Breathing. I thought about wearing Inosuke instead, but I haven't worn. I have no Inosuke's outfit, but I haven't even worn it yet because I wanted to get to that flexibility that he has before I wear it. And man, you take a break for like a month off from doing Luffy Tough Like the Tune, and freaking you just can't do nothing no more. No, I'm getting back in shape for a little bit, but you can tell a big difference. So I'm going back into making sure I do the Luffy Tough Like the Tunes now from now on. But yeah, so you got the little slashes there. Of course, the Beast logo. A lot of them have like that little logo in their style. So next, this is the set that I wanted the most. So we open this one up. This one is the long sleeve, which is going to be used mostly when I go out. Freaking Texas smash! Freaking love this top. And on the back you got Becoming a Hero. And on the side, same thing in the little area. Becoming a Hero. Which I think this top is going to be looking good. But we'll go with the full set later. I should have opened this one first. But it's all good. So this is like the Silver Age, I think. I think that's the Bronze Age. This is the Silver Age. This one got short sleeve, one for all. And then on the back, symbol of peace. Which is a pretty cool set. And on the side, of course, still says symbol of peace. Let's see if we get it. Bam, actually down pretty good, huh? Symbol of peace. And then the shorts. Shorts. Which has the one for all and then symbol of peace. The back just has just Saiyan logo like they have, and of course the other side has the symbol of peace as well. And now we'll save that. You saw the tops were good, but we'll show the headband off a bit before I haven't wanted to open this. I kind of want to show this how it looks. So sorry Jay, if you're watching this, I did open this first before giving it to you. So this is the headband. Not as thick as I thought it would be. That's for sure. It makes it look a lot thicker online. Oh, there we go. So they've rolled it up pretty good inside. And then they have like this right here. So you could roll it up, I guess, to make it thicker or not. But yeah, there you go. Pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna try to roll this back up. So I'm gonna, once I get this in, we'll just skip to me opening the other one. This is the crop top chopper shirt for my girlfriend. She loves chopper, and I love crop tops. So I was like, why not get her this? This is a medium. Whenever she wears it, I will post on it and show y'all. But that's the medium. It is kind of, I wonder if it'd be too small for her or not. Slim fit. Let's make sure they give me the right size. There you go. Now it doesn't look as small. But it's crop top, so it might be why I'm not used to seeing crop tops. But let me see. I'm trying to find where they have the tag at so I can know for sure that it is a medium. Maybe on the bag. These are the bags say. Yeah, woman's medium. She usually been getting larges, I think. And since she's been wanting to cut, that's why I got her a medium so she could work towards it, you know? But we're gonna hold it up like this and put it back in so she can't tell what it is when she opens it. So I'll give this to her today at the gym. Maybe before we start. So maybe she wants to change into it, she can. So, for the best one, we got the Texas Smash full set. So you saw the long sleeve. And then here's the short sleeve. So the long sleeve, yeah, go out because of the fact that it does get cold in the movie theaters. But yeah, you got that Texas Smash. Of course, on the back we saw becoming a hero. And then on the side, becoming a hero. I'll try to compare them right now. Right now I have to go up to show y'all. But yeah, so you got becoming a hero. And then the shorts. Yeah, the Texas Smash on the side. And then becoming a hero. But where is that Texas Smash one that I put over here? There it is. So, as you can see with the sleeves, with the long sleeve, you pretty much get this extra black at the bottom. Black. Red and black thing at the bottom with the little granite. As you see with this short sleeve, you don't always, you get the granite, but you don't get the extra detail like this. So let's see if I can hold it with that. And that. As you can see, that's the main difference you get. Because you do have a little bit of the granite, but this one you get a little bit more of the granite style. So if that's what you're looking for, again, as much detail as you can in your tops, then yeah, long sleeve might be the best if that's what you're into. If you're just into whatever comfortable, whatever you feel like, or just, oh, I want this and this one, this and this, or get both like me with the Texas Smash. Either way you go, that's what you go with. But we're going to go switch into, I'm just going to one. We'll go into the Zenitsu one since I want to wear that one. So I'm just going to put it over this, and then you can see how it looks with both on, you know. And we already did a vent one before with both long sleeve, short sleeves, and so on, and the videos behind. I'll put a link in the description, maybe on the screen. I don't know, depends on if I know how to do it. Anyways, I'll be right back, guys. All right, let me just get this going, do a transition since I suck at transitions, so might as well try to do something with the transition, right? So let's see, so we have it here, and we have that. So we're gonna go into Zenitsu. My blurry, help me. So we're gonna go like this and see how it goes. I'll be back, y'all. Peace. Alrighty, y'all, we're back. As you can see, we got this going. Hopefully you can hear me pretty fine. I do have the mic under the shirt. As you're back, you see all the gear. I'm gonna move the chair out of the way to show this off. Usually put the chair that way, but I got some stuff in the way. But yeah, so you see, this is the long sleeve. Demon Slayer Zenitsu. Not too bad. I like the loose fit on the top, like I mentioned all the time. Loose fit on the bottom. A little tighter around the sides a little bit, like always. I use extra large, are kind of tight for me there, but it's all good. You can see the shorts. Jet Saiyan on there, the lightning. And then if you don't want to get the top, you can take the top off, like what I'm going to do today. So I could wear the razor, which the razor looks pretty dang good with this too. So you can see, razor looks good with the shorts and everything. So you finally got some pretty casual Zenitsu shorts to go with the razor top. I mean, you have, I think, the regular ones that look like this for the shorts, the encounter shorts. Honestly, I think the vent shorts are better for this top instead of like bending in all into one. You know what I mean? Anyways, y'all, hope you all enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more unboxings. If you like Just Saying Gear, subscribe so we can grow together with the Just Saying Gear army and do what we can. Hope you all had a great day, a great week, since it's Friday for me right now is recording. So take care, y'all. God bless. Love you.